Hello guys, welcome to Deeper Depth. I am Raghavendra. Today in this video, I am going to talk about what is an event and what is a transaction. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. First we'll discuss what is this accounting is. Accounting is defined as an art of recording, classifying and summarizing the transaction and event. So what is this transaction and what is this event? So first we'll discuss what is an event is. Event can be anything which happens in the business. Suppose if you are opening a shutter of your business, then it is an event. If someone comes into the office, it's an event. If you're drinking water in your office, it's an event. Anything which happens in the business is an event. So the question here is, what event you have to consider in order to record in the books of accounts? So you have to record only those events which affects the business financially. Opening a shutter, if someone comes into the office, if you're drinking water in your office, it doesn't affect the business financially. So you shouldn't consider these events in order to record in the books of accounts. For example, if there is a sales, if there is a purchase, depreciation, all these events will affect the business financially. So that's the reason you have to consider all these three events in order to record in the books of accounts. So you have to consider only those events which affects the business financially. And now my question is, if there is a key person in the business and suppose the key person of the business is expired and that event has great impact on my business financially, should I record that event in the books of accounts? No, I can't record that event in the books of accounts. Why? Because it can't be measured in terms of monetary value. I can't measure it. So that's the reason, therefore, we say that you have to record only those transactions which affects the business financially, as well as it should be able to measure in terms of monetary value. If these two conditions are satisfied, then that event you have to consider in order to record in the books of accounts. So this is about what is an event.
Now we will discuss what is this transaction is. Transaction and events are almost same, but there is one factor which makes this event different from transaction. So that factor is exchange. For example, the events like purchase, sales, in this event there is an involvement of exchange between the company and the other party. So because of this factor, we can say this event can be a transaction. And now, what are those other events? For example, depreciation. So in the event depreciation, the company itself calculates the value of depreciation amount. In this event, there is no involvement happened between the company and the other party. Because of the absence of exchange, these events are remained as events only. They can't be a transaction. So in a nutshell, we can say that all the transactions can be an event, but all the events cannot be a transaction because of one factor, that is exchange. So I hope I cleared your doubts. If you have still any doubts, please let me know through the comment box. If you're still watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon and share it to your friends because this motivates me to do more videos. That's all about video, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new topic.